So the step you just did was to show you how to make the robot move straight. And that's this on the left. But as you got it to download and got the robot to move straight, I'm sure that some of you saw that your robots were curving slightly left or curving slightly right. And so the issue is one of the wheels, left or right, is turning faster than the other wheel. So instead of just using this basic code here, move forward for 50% at 3 seconds, which is both wheels turning, hopefully it's giving them the same amount of power, but these robots aren't perfect. So if there's anything that's slowing up left or right, that's where you're going to get that turn for a certain amount of time. That allows it to eventually stop. Well, there is this code right here. So left wheel turns at 50%, right wheel turns at 50%. So this one, you're able to go ahead and put in there, let's say the left wheel is the stronger wheel. Now, let me give you a hint right now, if I haven't already told you. Let's keep the power always below 50%, okay? That's going to be our rule. So if we want, let's say the right is turning, left wheel turns at 50. So let's say it's pulling to the right. That means the left is too strong. So why don't we bring the left down a little bit and try it, 35, and then go test it. And then let's say that it's pulling to the left, which means the right, or vice versa. Well, and all you have to do is change the other one. And then after you download it and try it, you'll be able to see, is it getting straighter or not getting straighter? And all you have to do is weaken the one that's pulling. So if it's pulling to the left, that means the right is strong, and you can bring that down a little. Let's say we go to 30, or let's say we go to 42. And each time you test it and then come back and go, I need to increase it a bit. Or if it's pulling to the right, that means that the left is too strong, and you can bring that one down. So hopefully that makes sense. But the problem with this line of code is here it has a break. It has something to eventually stop it from moving. If we just go ahead and use that right there, it'll go straight, but it's never going to stop. Well, this is what I discovered. Here you have a time element added in. If we take this time element here, wait for whatever seconds, if the code line before it doesn't have a time element, it utilizes the one after it. So here it was written into the actual line of code. Here all you have to do is add it directly beneath it, and it'll assume and restrict it to that amount of time that you have there. And then this stop moving, it's not necessary. But after this 3 seconds, if you want to make sure it does something else doesn't begin to get it moving again, I now have begun to use these stop movings. You can also find that over in your selection of codes. So I hope this helps you tremendously as you're moving forward and you're trying to keep your robot moving straight. Good luck.